Hey guys, welcome back to Journey with GV. Today we are gonna see a vlog on the largest and most popular food and coffee festival in Kuwait. And now we are in Kuwait Street Food Winter Festival 2021. This festival is happening in Bneid Al Gar at Al Safir Hotel and it is for 3 days from 11th to 13th November and today is the last day. This festival has got many kids attractions like huge play areas as you see now and different types of games and many events and competitions for kids like drawing as they do now, paintings and kiddie baking and so many are there. And come on, let's ask what the kids are doing here now.
Hi guys, what are you doing? Pizza? Wow, that's so nice. So you're a chef? Great job.
And you can see kids face painting is being done here and kids are eagerly waiting here. Actually, this festival gathers many restaurants and food companies which displays their food in beautifully painted mobile trucks with their live hot cookings attracting many visitors. And the idea behind this festival is to attract more visitors by their beautiful presentation of their restaurants and their food, and thereby giving a good knowledge about the various cuisines available from local to international in the market. And these are the special attractions of today's festival, and all the kids and adults get attracted to these kind of mini models, and they get their own creative clicks and enjoying their show. And here what you see on the stage is they are conducting the game show for the kids, and you can see n number of audience who are eagerly watching and participating and enjoying the day. And for more details you can check the description box given below. And thank you once again for watching my channel. Have a nice day.